The Anaconda Leather Factory Process Full Documentary Script. Introduction. Unveiling the mystery. The green anaconda is widely feared and universally recognized as one of the most massive apex predators lurking within the dense, uncharted depths of the Amazon rainforest. Creature whose single strike or constrictive coil can easily end the life of any prey. However, a fascinating transformation occurs when this formidable symbol of untamed wildlife transitions from its natural habitat into the highly regulated environment of modern commercial manufacturing facilities in certain countries around the globe. Under strict legal supervision and complying with rigorous international wildlife protection frameworks. These colossal serpents are processed within specialized industrial plants. In today's comprehensive documentary, we will take an exclusive step-by-step look inside these state-of-the-art facilities to witness how a legendary predator of the wild is meticulously converted into multi-million-dollar luxury goods complex industrial journey that will leave you absolutely astonished. Step 1. Legal verification, sourcing, and grading. The initial and arguably most critical phase of the entire anaconda processing operation begins with exceptionally tight security and exhaustive legal compliance checks to ensure the preservation of wild populations. These reptiles are sourced exclusively from government-authorized, specialized breeding farms that operate in strict accordance with CITES, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. Moment a batch arrives at the processing line, an expert team consisting of forensic specialists and quality control inspectors carefully measures the exact weight, dimensions, and most importantly, the flawless texture of the skin. Each individual anaconda is immediately assigned a unique tracking code or digital barcode, creating an immutable ledger that records its origin, health history, and baseline skin quality to guarantee complete transparency throughout the supply chain. Step 2. High-tech cleaning and the precision skinning process. Once the rigorous verification and sorting phase is complete, the operation advances to the highly sensitive and deeply delicate stage known as skinning and hygienic preparation. First, the serpents are thoroughly sanitized using a combination of automated washing systems and precise manual techniques overseen by specialized technicians. Following this, the high-stakes task of separating the precious hide from the underlying tissue begins, requiring an extraordinary level of precision because even the slightest nick, tear, or scratch on an anaconda skin can instantly slash its international market value by half. Advanced, ultra-sharp cutting instruments are utilized by master craftsmen to ensure the deep structural integrity of the outer leather remains perfectly intact, while the remaining organic materials are carefully separated and diverted to alternative sections for byproduct manufacturing. Step 3. Chemical tanning, deep treatment, and coloration. directly after separation. Raw anaconda hide is completely unusable for consumer goods, as it is naturally rigid, incredibly rough, and highly susceptible to rapid organic decay. To convert this stiff biological material into a remarkably supple, durable, and workable leather, the hides are transferred into massive, continuously rotating industrial drums for a specialized chemical tanning process that lasts several days. During this critical phase, a sophisticated blend of premium chromium, specialized acids, and biological enzymes is introduced to completely eradicate all deep-seated bacteria and permanently alter the protein structure of the skin to prevent degradation. Once the tanning process concludes, the leather undergoes a premium dyeing phase tailored to the specific aesthetics of international fashion trends, enhancing the serpent's natural, iconic scale patterns and imbuing them with a vibrant, high-gloss finish. Step 4. Final quality assurance, laser scanning, and grading. Following the intensive tanning and drying stages, the completely transformed anaconda skins arrive at the final quality assurance and finishing line for meticulous evaluation. Here, cutting-edge laser scanners are deployed to inspect every single square inch of the leather, instantly detecting microscopic imperfections, uneven pigmentation, or structural weaknesses that might be invisible to the naked eye. In tandem with technology, veteran artisans manually feel the texture of each hide to guarantee a flawless, premium finish before sorting them into distinct commercial grades based on the requirements of elite fashion houses. The absolute top-tier, pristine grade leathers are then wrapped in specialized, protective packaging and exported directly to the world's leading luxury fashion capitals such as Paris, Milan, and New York. Conclusion: the global luxury market, after traversing this lengthy, complex, and highly sophisticated industrial pipeline, these processed anaconda skins are ultimately transformed by master designers into elite consumer statements ranging from ultra-luxury handbags and tailored jackets to premium footwear and wallets for iconic global brands like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and Hermes. The journey of this material originating from the muddy waters of the tropical rainforest, passing through a highly controlled, sterile factory floor, and finally ending up as a prized possession in the hands of billionaires is as controversial as it is undeniably fascinating. What are your thoughts on the precision and complexity involved in this industrial leather-making process? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to explore more thrilling, behind-the-scenes insights into the world's most unique industries, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.